computer worm was spotted in 1979 at the Iraq's Palo Alto Research Center. It was called the Malware Worm. They were originally created to make computer software better, but then later were used for malicious software. It was reported by Paul Graham that 6,000 Unix boxes were affected by the Malware Worm. They weren't the target, but they were just what was hit. So basically, when you click on an email, the link in your email, it's going to put the worm in your system's memory to where it won't respond to you anymore. The way the Malware Worm works is it duplicates itself, so the original worm isn't just like one worm. It's multiplied by thousands, and it keeps on multiplying and just crashes your computer.
Okay, so there's been some talk about Macs being less susceptible to getting viruses than PCs, and this really is kind of true, but it's not at the same time, because the reason that hackers go after PCs more is because there's a lot likely of a chance that they're going to actually get to their target, and the target is stealing your identity and doing whatever they need to do with your computer. So, and Macs, they actually have a bridge between their hardware and the application. So it goes into the applications, it will not get in the hardware because there's an actual bridge that gets right there. And then it just won't infect your whole computer like it will on a PC.
The worms often schedule themselves to be run automatically when you start your operating system. Some of them even register themselves to be run when any other application is started. Removing such a worm is not as simple as deleting it. When you just delete the worm file, your operating system might not be able to start your applications, such as Explorer, anymore. So in order to properly remove the worm from your computer, it is often necessary to make additional fixes in your system registry. Delete the links from your startup folder, etc. Here, the Avast Virus Cleaner comes in. It will find and remove selected worms from your computer, as well as fix the registry and startup items to make sure your system will work correctly after the disinfection. Many worms, when activated, create additional working files on your hard disk. Even though these files alone are harmless, they are useless and they should not be there. When Avast Virus Cleaner detects and removes a known worm from your computer, its working temporary files are removed as well. The same applies for worm-specific registry entries. Download Avast Virus Cleaner if you have any worms. The Avast Virus Cleaner provides a very easy way to remove a worm virus from your computer. Download Avast Virus Cleaner and then prepare to clean your computer. Disable the on-access virus checking of your existing antivirus, if any, and disable Windows System Restore. Then start Virus Cleaner running. Virus Cleaner will first check to see if a worm is running and terminate the process if necessary. It will then scan the hard disk looking for known worm files.
A computer worm is a self-replicating malware. It uses a computer network to send copies of itself to other computers through contacts of your email, and then it sends copies of itself from the contacts of your email to contacts of your contacts. A rootkit is a program or a combination of several programs designed to take fundamental control over the Windows service of the administrator. A Trojan horse or a Trojan is malware that appears to perform a desirable function of the user's prior to run or install, but instead facilitates unauthorized access of the user's computer system. Spyware is a computer software that installs itself on a personal computer to intercept and take partial control over the user's interaction with the computer without the user's informal consent. A computer virus is a program that can copy itself and infect your computer. All the different types of malware are similar because they all try to either attack your computer and infect it, or they try to steal information from your computer about you.